So the wood here is pretty soft, probably a little rotted. They need some help. They need a little bit of love. What we're gonna be using today is this Bondo rotted wood restorer. It says it's super toxic, super flammable, not to use it in heat, that it can spontaneously combust. We waited till it was dark-ish, less swarm. They don't make it easy. That's a child-proof lid. Aha! Gently apply this. It's dripping a lot, so it's good I put down a little protective cover. What does Bob Ross say? There's no mistakes, there's only happy accidents. I think that's what it was. Let me know what you think. Do I stain it or just keep the original color? Follow along for more updates on how we're enjoying the nature around us.